Didn't take very long after meeting you for me to make a move. Less than a week.
Hey guys, I'm not going to be doing much talking because I'm not the only person here. So this is just me installing the Sensational lace wig to my head. So yeah, just enjoy. Majority of this will be just music, and then I will be tuning in every now and then. So this wig is definitely not for girls with big heads. I mean, because it definitely wasn't going over my head, guys, but I made it work. I definitely made it work. Okay, so don't judge me. I never put on a lace wig before with any type of adhesive. So this was the first time I was ever really doing this, but I think I did okay. Okay, guys, so I started to get over it with the whole glue thing. Like, some of it dried, some of it didn't. So I was like, okay, let me just lay it down. Maybe it'll be like super melted, super flat. So this is me just pretty much doing that. Okay, so it came out pretty okay after I, waited 5 minutes for everything to sit on my head. I think I waited a little over 5 minutes, but I started to cut really close to the hairline because I really wanted it to look as natural as possible. And I think that's the best way, the best method. So if you want to try that, go ahead. But I really do think that that works way better. So after a while, I did start to think that maybe this wig did need a little plucking or something because it was looking a little light. But, after a while when you done with everything and you start to like really look and put some concealer and stuff on it, it really starts to come together. So I was giving it a chance. No, I let it sit on my head for about 10 minutes because I really wanted it to be on my head. So here's the results right here. And you can like kind of see my excitement once I took it off. So I decided I'm gonna go ahead and put like maybe just a few baby hairs in it, not a lot, because I'm not gonna go overboard with the baby hairs. But it definitely did. Maybe potentially needed some baby hairs. I'm like, okay, it looked good, but it need baby hairs. So I put some in. So this is all new to me. I'm not really good with baby hairs on wigs. I mean, I can do baby hairs, but just not on wigs. So this was all like a new experience for me, learning how to put the wig on and everything. So it's not 100% great, guys. But you know, when I start doing it more, I will definitely get better. This hair is definitely tangly, but it's not to a bad tangle. Like if you know how to take care of your hair, like how everybody else on the reviews was making it seem, but it's not that bad. Yeah, I was definitely not satisfied with my edges, but I was like, fuck it. Like, majority of my hair will be covering like my sides, so it was like, whatever. So I was going to wrap it one more time to give it that extra melt look, and I think it came out really nice, and I really do like this hair. This hair is really nice, you guys. Like, for $40-50, it's not bad at all. So it came out really pretty, really nice. Like, I like it so much. It's pretty much wrapping up, so it's gonna go off into the final look, and I hope you all like it because I definitely loved it. So I did go in and add some concealer because it was looking a little transparent. So, I put some extra concealer on there to make it look a little nice. Smoothed it out with my fingers to give it a natural look, and here's the results. Well, guys, I hope you liked this video. It was a little tutorial, a little review over this What Lace Sensational, and I hope you subscribe, like, and share my channel. Have a great one. This was about Tokyo Diamond, by the way. I suck at intros. Bye.
Didn't take very long after meeting you for me to make a move. Less than a week